Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're in Walmart. We're going to go through all of the new Scoop Free Assembly and maybe some Celebrity Pink. And if you like these videos, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new, and let's go shopping. First are these new tapered pants from Scoop. They have that double button, the little cargo pocket. They have a toggle at the bottom, and you can do straight leg or jogger. We also saw these in the denim yesterday. They have no pockets in the back. This is a twill material. The denim is like a true denim, and they'll be linked down below. Also new mini skirt from Scoop. So this one has the side pocket, side zip. It has the pleating in the front and back. Also new cardigans from Scoop. These have that high neckline, puff sleeve. It's ribbed, so super soft, stretchy. Ribbed at the bottom, and then the seam fit through the back. Comes in the black, also in the green and this burgundy, and they're going to be $22. New crew neck tees from Scoop. These are super soft, stretchy. They have this new color I saw somewhere when I was like looking for the trends, that they're calling this slime green, and that made me think of like Nickelodeon stuff, but this is like that slime green. They have that crew neckline. They're fitted, really soft and stretchy, and these are only $8. They also have neutrals. And then new lace top from Scoop. So this one has the high neckline, ruffle, the peplum, keyhole in the back. This is sheer and it doesn't have a cami underneath, so you could do a little black tank, a tube top, and they are so new pull-on pants from Scoop. These have an elastic waistband, drawstring, side pocket, trouser material, wide leg, and then the seam fit through the back, and they have the trouser pockets in the back, and they're $26. So notice they brought back the wide leg scuba pants from Scoop. So these are high rise. They have that pleating, flowy leg with the side pocket. In the gray, they also come in black. They're $24. I showed them, I guess, like a week or so ago in the barrel leg. So they have a lot to mix and match with this new sweatshirt. The sweatshirts are going to be, they're not priced yet. And then the barrel legs are $24. The new sweatshirts from Scoop and the scuba material. So these have a crew neckline. It has a little bit smaller band. Drop sleeve, also has that banded wrist with the banded bottom. So they have gray, also black, and to match the new joggers. I know I shared these maybe last week. These are that barrel leg. So they have that elastic waistband, drawstring, elastic, that seam detail, and then they also have pockets on the back. Oak jacket from Scoop. So this has that corduroy collar, has the snap buttons with the zipper button on the wrist. You can make it a little tighter. 2 flat pockets, and then really good length in the back with the seam detail. And it looks like they don't have prices at the store. No flutter dress from Scoop. So this one has that high neckline, has this puff sleeve. It's a chiffon material, fit and flare with the seam detail at the waist. And then the back has that little tie. And these are going to be linked down below. Mock neck sweater dresses from Scoop. So these are a stretchy knit material. Has that high neckline, fitted with the drop tier. It's not like too dropped. That's what the material looks like, a post. And then the same kind of fit through the back in the black. Also comes in a leopard. And we don't have prices on that either. New dresses from Scoop. So these have this little ruffled detail, buttons under the bust. There's a seam, fit and flare in this lime and black floral. Also comes in the solid black. Also new button-down shirt from Scoop. So this is a lightweight material. Has the smaller collar, full button detail on the wrist with the gathering. Scoops in the middle with the seam in the back. So this is the new style in the black. Also in ivory, and these are $22. The style they had last year, it has like 2 pockets. I shared it in a haul. Those are on sale for like under $10, so I'll have those as linked as well. So new color in this peplum top from Scoop. So this one has the thin strap, that plunging V. It's a flowy fit. It is a thicker denim material. And then it's squared in the back with the smocking. We saw it in this leopard. Now it's in the green. They are going to be at 24. They might have the jeans to match back with that. I'm not really sure, but I showed all of the matching pieces in the last shop with me. I think it was last Wednesday. To match those pants, we saw the tank. Now they have a denim jacket from Scoop. So these have a smaller collar, full button, flat pockets, button on the wrist. It is more of a boxy fit with the seam in the back. I'll show the pants. These are barrel leg, high rise. They have the 2 front pockets and then pockets on the back. And then that matching peplum has the thin straps, flowy, and then smocking in the back with the zipper. And that's what the material looks like up close. New Scoop barrel leg jeans. So these are high rise. They have the side pocket, the little flat pocket with the little toggle. So you could do straight leg or jogger. No pockets on the back. In the black, they also come in the green. The green color is a little bit thinner. It's more of like a twill material. And these are $28. Sweaters from Scoop. These have that high neckline. They're sleeveless, super stretchy. Comes in the back like racer back. In the green, also in black. And these are $18. The ruffled neckline. Little ruffled trim, button on the wrist, a nice textured material. In the white also comes in the black, and these are going to be linked down below because no price. Also new sneak peek sweaters from Free Assembly in the pink and the lime green that they have the vests in. We saw those in previous videos. So these have that scallop trim, gold detail buttons, 2 front pockets, ribbed wrist, has the ribbed bottom. In the pink, there's no texture through the back. Also comes in the green, navy, and they're $22. So new mock neck ribbed sweater from Free Assembly. So this is stretchy, has a longer sleeve, good length to the front and the back, in the navy and green. Also comes in navy and pink. That's what it looks like up close. And these are going to be linked down below. Right next to that new little tie front blouse from Free Assembly. So this has that oversized bow, full buttons, the little shoulder detail, button on the wrist, relaxed fit. This is the extra small, so it has really good length. And then the seam in the back. In the stripe also comes in the white, and they'll be linked down below. New sweater vest from Free Assembly. So this is a pointel. Has that crew neckline with the scallop trim, nice and stretchy. It's what it looks like up close. Ribbed bottom in the pink, also comes in green, and they are $14. New sweater from Free Assembly. So this one has that high neckline, buttons, like true cardigan. How pretty is this little floral detail with this side seam? Also has the ribbed wrist and the same fit through the back. And this one is going to be no price. Boat neck top from Free Assembly. So this has that high neckline, relaxed 3/4 sleeve, it's flowy, more of a boxy fit in the brown and blue. Also comes in that orangey red and blue stripe. The varsity jacket from Free Assembly. This one has that ribbed collar, snap buttons, completely lined, has that ribbed wrist with the ribbed bottom, and then that same fit through the back. So in stores, they only have green, but I did see that they had navy online. Sneak peek denim dress from Free Assembly. So this one has the thicker strap, scoop neckline, zip, the seams through the whole front, and then pockets with the same fit through the back. Instead of butter yellow, we're switching it out for camel. These are new from Free Assembly. They're high rise, 2 front pockets, nice stretchy material. They are cropped, wide leg through the front, and then they also have pockets in the back. This has the thicker strap, scoop neckline, zip with the belt, that same kind of fit through the back. Also has the matching blazer. This one has that smaller collar, lapel, completely lined, relaxed through the wrist, and then the same fit through the back. And then if you didn't want to do the dress, they also have a skirt with the belt, the little pleats, side zip, and then that same fit through the back. I feel like this cardigan is like perfect for that countryside look. This one has the ruffled neckline, full button, 2 pocket, the little detailed wrist. And this green also comes in the blue, and they're $26. So new boxy chambray top from Free Assembly. This one has the smaller collar, full button, 2 flat pockets, button on the wrist, and has that finished hem at the bottom with the seam in the back. This is the extra large, that's a large. They do look a little relaxed fit, but they are that shorter kind of boxy look. New denim from Free Assembly. So we saw this cropped option. Now they have them in the full length. These look like they're high rise. They have the 2 pockets, flowy leg through the front, and then also in the back. In this mid-tone, they might still have some of the cropped left. The crop says $26. New denim mini skirt from Free Assembly. This is that wrap style. Zip in the back, and these are $22. New flutter sleeve dress from Free Assembly. This has that plunging V, the ruffled neckline, that flutter sleeve with this little seam detail, fit and flare, has that zip front, and then the seam fit through the back. That's the material looks like. So it's like a nice thicker poplin. And the price is off. Barrel leg jeans from Free Assembly. These are high rise. They have the pockets. They come in at the leg, the ankle, and then pockets on the back. They also have that same seam detailing through the back. And they are going to be no price, so they'll be linked. Maybe they had on the tag. No, they took it off. So have a new color in this little bow sleeve top. So this has that elastic, the bows through the sleeve, elastic on the wrist, scoops in the middle, and then the seam through the back. I think we saw this in brown. Now it's in a blue and white stripe, and then also in the green, and they're $24. My denim is still on trend for fall. This is a denim jacket from Free Assembly. These did get added to the website. They have that high neckline, snap, shoulder detail, that exaggerated shoulder that's gonna go with that trend. Relax through the wrist, and then the seam kind of fit through the back with the seaming. And these are $32. Color in this dress, I'm pretty sure these are marked down online to like $10. I have it in the black. It has that square neckline, ruching, fit and flare. I like this color for fall, even though this is like a summer style. Like I said, they're down to like 10. They have a few colors left. I know the black is very limited. So that they have a new pinstripe pant to go with the blazer. And we also saw some other pieces. There's a skirt. These are high rise. The belt, big, like open belt loop, side pocket, flowy through the leg. And then this seam fit through the back with trouser pockets. And they took the price off. Also new Henley sweaters from Free Assembly. These have the smaller collar, has a little bit longer sleeve. It is a little ballooned with the ribbed bottom, and then the seam fit through the back, and these are $24. Striped Henley sweater also comes in a brown and white stripe. Plaid skirt from Free Assembly. This has that nice oversized belt, full functioning buttons, fit and flare, and nope, they're $26. New dress from Free Assembly. This one has the thin straps, this little tie detail, smocking, flowy fit, the seam fit through the back. Also new pinstripe dress from Free Assembly. It has the thin strap, this plunging V. The material on this is so nice and stretchy. Has that V design with this little seam, pleating, fit and flare, midi length, and then it's squared in the back with the zipper. And they'll be linked down below. They also pulled the tags in this store. Long sleeve dress from Free Assembly. This one has that elastic around the neck, this little hook and eye closure with the keyhole, these little bow detail down the sleeve, elastic with the dropped here. It's a nice thicker poplar material, and then the seam fit through the back. Comes in the brown, also comes in this blue and white stripe, and no price. I'll try to have the prices down below next to the link. Jogger jeans from Celebrity Pink. These have that drawstring, cargo pocket, that true jogger bottom. The back has pockets. These are $20.98. So new puff sleeve sweaters from Celebrity Pink. These have that crew neckline, rib stretchy, fitted through the body. They are a little shorter. Same through the back. And the pink also comes in ivory. And these are going to be $14.50. Find that new Henley top from Free Assembly. This has that scallop trim. It's fitted through the wrist with the little ruffling. The ribbed bottom. And then the same fit through the back. And they don't have a price, but they're usually about $15. And then also new smock dresses from Celebrity Pink. These have that roof strap, smocking at the top. It's a textured material. That same fit through the back. And the pink also comes in the blue. New wide leg jeans from Celebrity Pink. So this is called the slouchy leg. I think they're high rise. They have the whiskering, flowy through the leg. In this dark acid wash. Also comes in the lighter kind of wash, and those are $20.50. Crop denim jackets are similar to the Madewell Airy denim crop shirt. Those are on sale for $78.99, regularly $118. These are from Celebrity Pink. They have the smaller collar, button, 2 pockets, scoop. It is that shorter fit with the seam in the back. And these are going to be, oh, there's no price. I think they're $16 to $24. Also new denim from Celebrity Pink. So this is the wide leg. Has this seam detail, the little heart button, and then the V design in the back. I think these are usually about $21. So these new long sleeve dresses from Free Assembly. It has the smaller collar, button all the way down. Also has the belt, button detail on the wrist, and then the same detail in the back, in the stripe. And these are going to be linked down below because they took prices off. Only heels from Scoop. So these have the square toe, that T-strap. That's what the stiletto looks like. And these are $30. I'm pretty sure these are majorly marked down online. Pretty are these from Scoop. So they have that square toe, not too high of a heel with all that metal hardware. And also from Scoop are these clear sandals. So they have that toe wrap. These are all in like the return section. Looks like online they're $26. Also come in the snakeskin. Also from Free Assembly are these sneakers. These are also online only. They have that round toe. It's a canvas material. I know Free Assembly, this is the first time I'm seeing them in store for shoes. I'm gonna end the video. Thank you so much for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.